Hi Dressed Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw a beautiful bride. So let's get started. To draw this beautiful bride, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about, say, this wide and draw another circle. So now my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now the eyes in, let's go ahead and spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm going to come right at the top right here and draw in two curves and thicken them up, and same thing over here. There. And then let's come up above each eye, so say about right here, and we're going to draw the brow. So I'm going to draw a soft arc over the eye and just thicken it up. And same thing on the other side. Right here. And then of course, let's give her a sweet smile. So right about here in the center, just go ahead and draw a curve and cap it off. Then from there, let's frame in her face. So top of the eye next to this lash, about right here. And same thing here. We're going to go ahead and draw a curve around the eye. And I'm going to just imagine how far down I want her chin to be. So I'm going to find my center. And let's say about right here. Just kind of want it about that low. And I'm going to go ahead and draw this curve. I'm going to turn my body a little bit so it's a little bit easier for me to draw this curve and bring it down to my point. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go up. And we're going to, let's see here, bring it to a little bit to the side of her, where her hair parts. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to start and draw a curve coming down. So just kind of creating this oval. And then on, let's see here, then on this side, we're going to go ahead and draw a curve going up. Then we're going to come down. I guess we're going to hit that brow and curve up. So then whatever space you have left, just finish it up. So I'm just trying this fancier hairdo. And so then right here, you just put in a curve to finish it up. And then one more curve right here. Fill in that strand. And then let's thicken it all up. One more big strand and bring it in. And then on this side, we're going to come down. So let's draw the ear first. So right next to his eye, go ahead and draw this curve for ear. Some details inside. So same thing on the other side. There. And let's come right about here, and we're going to draw a curve, bring it into her ear, and another curve for some strands. And then let's go ahead and we're going to come about right here, and we're going to go over, just draw a curve for the top. And we're going to bring it all the way to the other side. So on this side, I'm going to bring a bunch of curves down to here. So I'm going to come down to about right here, and I'm going to just curve, maybe one more curve, and just bring it in. There. So I'm just kind of evening out both sides, and then right here, just add in some details. So just put in a curve right here, and another one, and maybe one more. There. Just trying to make it fancy because it is for her wedding, right? So hopefully I'm not making it too complicated. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and I'm just going to come in here and give her a pair of earrings before I forget. Same thing here. And then on the top, I'm going to just put in this little crown. I'm just going to kind of go wobble a little bit of the shape. Nothing exact, and come right back down. And then inside, you can put in these little shapes right here just to make it look like jewels or sparkles, just to give it some texture. There, so this will hold up her veil right in the center. Okay, so then now let's finally draw her. We'll draw the rest of her hair later. Let's come down and give her a little neck right here and here. And we're going to come down to about right there. Just curve. And before we round it off, we're going to come down. So let's see here. Let's come about right here. Just going to skip a little bit of space. Same thing here. So this is kind of like where the armpit area would be. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw 2 angle lines. About right there. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back and we're going to find the center. So say about right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve on both sides for her top. There. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and in this area, I know I'm going to put in this huge bouquet. So it's going to be in a circular shape. So I'm going to go ahead and just, there's no right or wrong way, just curves. I'm just going to put in these random, sometimes big, sometimes small, smaller. But my goal is just to fill up this space. And in this kind of ovalish circular shape. So sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller, something like that. So now that we have this big, huge shape in, we're going to just kind of imagine her waist would be here. And then it will poof out her dress. So let's say about right here. And same thing on the other side. Well, actually, you know what? I think I need to poof it out a little bit more. Sorry about that. Let's make this come out a little bit more on the sides. There. Okay, so now I can go ahead. About right there. And let's go ahead and bring this down for a beautiful full skirt. And this is just meant to inspire you. So many different beautiful wedding dresses. It was just so hard to figure out what to draw. But hopefully you like what I came up with. Okay, so now this going all the way down, and I'm just going to kind of flare it out a little bit. So let's do the same thing on the other side. And I'm just going to drag this across so they're approximately the same. And then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to wobble our way across. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw her shoulders. And so I'm going to have her hands tucked into the bouquet. So that's my goal. So that's what I'm drawing, this really big bouquet so that I don't have to draw hands. So let's say about right here and here. I'm going to angle it, and right here. Just thicken it up and bring it in. There. I was so tempted to put a strap. I wasn't sure. But, you know, I think it looks really nice without a strap. So I'm just going to leave it as is. But my original definitely had some sleeves. Okay, so about right there, same thing, just bring it in. There. And then, of course, let's give her a beautiful heart necklace. Because we definitely need a heart somewhere. And so then from there, let's see. Okay, so now we can go ahead. Let's finish her hair. So I'm going to come back about right here. And I'm just going to start to curl. And just tuck it in. So same thing about right here. And tuck it in. And you can put in some details if you like. As much or as little as you want. I'll just leave it as that. And then let's see here. Of course, we need her veil, so I'm just going to kind of like imagine it's coming down. Maybe right here, just show a part of it. Lightly drawing these lines for some texture. And let's see, of course, now let's work on our beautiful bouquet. So in this area, I'm just going to start maybe in the center. I'm just going to wobble and just keep going around to create these beautiful flowers. And just some bigger ones here and there. You just want to fill in this space. But it doesn't really matter because it's just a texture that you're giving this bouquet. So don't worry too much about it. Okay, so just here and there. Just fill it in, and wherever you have some space, you can put in some lines, some circles. There. See, all of a sudden you have a beautiful bouquet. And then here and there, you just pop out some leaves just to add to it. And of course you can put in some of these things that come out, perhaps. Just all depends on how much you want to do. How much details you want. Okay, and then if you like, you can even put like maybe a bow in the center, right? Like the tail of a bow. So if you want to do that, let's say about right here and here. The tail of a bow. And of course, We need some of these lines on our skirt. And I think that is pretty much it. And like I said, it's all up to you. This is just meant to inspire you. You can put in more details on for the sleeves if you like, but I'm just gonna leave mine like this, and hopefully I've helped you draw this beautiful bride today, and I've made it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.